Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to introduce you to the AI marketing platform as well as explain how you can earn money super easily thanks to its amazing technology. We already made some videos about it in French which were quite successful and decided that our English speaking fellows deserve to know about this app. For the French speaker watching this video, if you already watched the French version that came out on January 7th, you already know everything. No, AI marketing is a platform that will allow you to get an average return on investment or 30% monthly. Before I explain how it works, I will now display on screen some screenshots of profits people from the Telegram group have gained on the platform. You will be able to join this group as well. You can see some proof of withdrawals to bank accounts, Bitcoin, payers, which is like PayPal. We've also made a Discord where you will be able to interact with us and other users, which I will talk about later in the video. To start using the platform, you won't have to invest a single dollar, as AI marketing lends you $50 directly. Once spent and made profitable, you will have to choose to continue by refunding those $50, so they will probably have made you more than that, or you can just leave the platform without losing anything if it didn't convince you, which I doubt will happen. However, if you want to invest money and for 3 weeks until February 1st, I will personally give you 10% of your first investment on the platform if and only if you sign up using my affiliate link, which is in the description of the video. You will then need to send me a message on Discord to ask me for those 10%. I am able to see on my AI marketing account who used it and how much they invested. Why am I giving out 10%? When you sign up using my affiliate link, I get 10% of your investments, so I'm basically giving them back to you. You will be able to either reinvest them or withdraw those 10%. It is a good opportunity to increase your advertising budget without spending more money, but again, it's not mandatory and in the end, it's up to you. You might now ask yourself, where the hell does that money come from? Well, it's very simple. AI marketing has concluded deals with many famous companies, which I will show later on this video. And for every purchase done on these companies' websites that come from our advertising, AI marketing will get a commission which will be split between them that get 45% and you who financed this advertising campaign by investing money on the platform and who gets the other 55%. I will now show you how to sign up and will briefly introduce the website. It is important in order to get those extra 10% that you sign up using the link in the description, which is my affiliate link, and that you then send me a message on Discord or by mail. They will both be in the description. So when you're on the website, you click on the sign in, sign up button on the top right of the screen and then select the purple brain. You really need to sign up using the purple brain, which is INB network, if you want to get those extra 10%. Do not use your Google account. Then click on register now under the login button and enter your personal info. So last name, first name, email and password. You now have an account. I will go to the process with you by creating an account for a friend of mine so you can see how a new account is set up. So here we are on my friend's account. You get redirected to that page where you need to select the name of your AI bot. So you can name him whatever you want as it doesn't really matter. I will call him Super Robot. You should already see those $50 I told you about in your ads balance on the top left of the page. Once you've gotten here, you have nothing else to do. The bot will activate itself automatically within 48 to 72 hours, which is the time the AI needs to learn new worldwide advertising tendencies in order to be the most efficient and select the best ads to display to users. After this delay has passed, you will be able to see your first sales and so earn your first commissions. As there is nothing else to show on this empty account, I will now connect to my personal account, which I created 3 weeks ago and on which I invested $2,500. My best friend have been using this platform for a while and he already withdrew a lot of money. This is why I invested so much money after such a short period of time. You will see everything on this account and this is how your account will look like in the future. We are now on my account and I'm going to show you only the most important parts of the platform. On the home page, which is my advertising, you can see that my advertising budget is $2,570 and that I started December 23rd and quickly added more and more money. We will go in depth, but you can see I already made $773 of cashback, which is the sum of my parts of the commissions. This is basically a summary of your sales. The second tab is an upcoming function that is not working yet. It will be out, but it doesn't interest us now. We also won't be looking into the third and fourth tabs in this video as we will talk about it in-depth video we will soon make, and we'll talk about it on the Discord, but they are not important for now. The My Marketing tab, so the fifth one, it allows you to create an affiliate link just like the one you used to sign up. You click on create landing on the top right, then standard, then you select the things you want, then you save. It creates a link you can easily copy and send to anyone, and you will get 10% of the investments people make if they signed up using it. The sales tab displays all the sales that were made by your bot. It details the price the client paid, as well as the cashback rate. What you earn is in the column Your Cashback. There is a hold on every sale, as you can see in the Await column, which corresponds to the retractation delay of the website. During this period, the customer can return his articles and cancel the order, so you will only get the money once the deal is over. You will then see the money going into your cashback in the green card on the top left of the screen. The cashback tab references all the sales your affiliate made. As you can see, I sponsored a friend that invested $2,000, which got me $100, so only 5%, and I told you there was 10%, so I got the other 5% on the INB network website, and this is why you have to sign up using the purple brain icon. We'll explain this more deeply on our Discord, as we didn't want this video to be too long, which we failed at, obviously. Then we have the stats tab that genuinely gives you all the stats, and you can once again see that my budget is $2,570. Out of those, 2.5 to 3% are spent by the bot every day, and you can find the total in amount spent, which is for me $333. I invested my money gradually, so this is why for me it doesn't correspond to those 2.5% per day. These $333 made me $773 of cashback, which is a huge profit. Note that it depends on the bot and that mine is particularly efficient. It will eventually flatten out, and most people end up making 30 to 45% a month. The profit percentage is not really meaningful, as it only says I got 30% back out of the $2,570 I invested, which are my $773 of cashback. The top up tab allows you to add money to the platform. So for those of you who want to, I remind you that until February 1st, I will give you back 10% of your first investment. The transfer tab allows you to withdraw your money. There are many available ways, like transferring directly to your credit card using Bitcoin, which can be smart considering its current trading, or using Payeer, which I don't personally use, but most people on the Telegram group use it and it works perfectly. The minimal withdrawal amount is $100 for the first one and $10 for the others. The FAQ tab might answer your questions if I forgot to mention some things. So this is it for the AI marketing platform tour. Don't forget to join our Discord server, which is in the description, along with my Telegram username, as you need to contact me there so I can invite you to the private AI marketing group. Every member using my affiliate link in the description will be able to join the Discord and the Telegram. And I strongly advise you to join the Discord as we go more deeply into every aspect of the platform, especially the INB network, which will allow you to sponsor people with greater advantages the more you do it. For example, unlocking bonuses that can go quite high. This will all be on the Discord. Lastly, let me tell you that this is quite a recent platform, as it is out for only 6 months. So only invest what you can invest, and even though there was no problem of any kind reported to this day. There are 900 persons on the Telegram group, and our community is growing every day. Some of them withdrew tens of thousands of dollars, and you will be able to see a lot of proofs. Also, don't hesitate to sponsor your friends or relatives, as you will get 10% off on what they invest on the platform. I have said it all, and I'm looking forward to hear from you on Discord or Telegram. Please only use my email if you can't contact me somewhere else. Thank you for listening, guys. Have a nice day and huge profits. Thank you. Bye.